I think over the last 80 years, we've really gone from this sort of underappreciated college in its beginning to one that has really become the premier college in the entire University of Houston today.
When I came, the building was just completed, so I came to a fresh new building, a nice new office.
My impression of the University of Houston when I arrived in 1974 was one of a campus that was covered with trees, which I think has really changed now. We built so many buildings that the campus has sort of a different feel to it. But I remember the large number of oak trees and the moss hanging from them. I'm originally from a very small town in West Texas. It was quite different than anything I'd experienced before.
The University of Houston really started as a junior college in 1927. One of the biggest student organizations on campus at that time was the Society of Engineers, which is interesting since there was no engineering program even at the university. Even before the College of Engineering became a college in itself, it was actually a school within the College of Natural Science. The amazing thing is by the end of the 40s or early in the 50s, all these 6 engineering undergraduate programs were established, and I think by about 1953 or so, they were all accredited. The other change that came in the 50s was the interest moving toward more research. And we hired our first PhD in 1952. Abe Duckler and Bill Pringle both came from Shell Oil Research Facility at the Deer Park Refinery and really got the chemical engineering department off to a really fast start. The 60s was associated with the largest growth of the college. I and all the other faculty that came in the 60s and the 70s, and of course continuing on, were all interested in seeing the University of Houston grow. They had their own reason for coming. I'm really proud of what the university has done.
About 15 years ago, we went through a major transformation and we became a research powerhouse.
I've been at the University of Houston since August 1st, 1999. The way things have changed at the University of Houston is that we have become a destination institution.
So the Cullen College of Engineering was always a high-quality college, but it was relatively low profile. We are not considered to be an elite institute, but we always provided elite education at the prices that our community could afford.
I think our tradition really is to be in a situation where the students don't just feel like they're a number, that they really have somebody they know. Our classes have tended to be smaller.
I love the University of Houston. It's provided me with more opportunities than I could have ever imagined. They've provided me with a future, and it's phenomenal.
Students want to come here, and they like it here, and they know that we as faculty truly care about them being successful.
I started volunteering in a lab as a freshman, and that's something that I never thought was even possible. The faculty here are so supportive. You can go in and just be like, I'm not having a great day, can I please talk to someone? And they're so kind about it.
My name is Kelly Huang and I teach Intro to Environmental Fluid Mechanics and Thermodynamics. I was drawn to Houston for many reasons. One of them is that even during the interview, it was very clear that the department was very collaborative, and that also extends past the department. So I met many people who were very passionate about their work and interested in working with others in order to solve a bigger problem. And second is that it really has become a big research hub lately with a lot of exciting work going on, and I really wanted to be a part of that.
The reason our college is successful is because we have had extensive support from the upper administration, and we have outstanding faculty and staff. And in the end of the day, without people, the university would just be brick and mortar. And it is the people, the faculty, our leaders, and of course, our students.
The University of Houston is really fortunate in being located in Houston. Houston has always been an engineering city.
Look at our community. We have NASA. We have one of the largest medical centers. We are the energy capital. And we begin to capitalize on all of that. So about 70 to 75% of the students who graduate from the Cullen College of Engineering continue to live and work within a 60-mile radius of the city. And we begin to attract extraordinary faculty who have international reputation who could walk into any institute in the country where they chose to come and make University of Houston their home.
The University of Houston is a top-tier engineering school. The research that we're doing at the College of Engineering is some of the best in the nation.
When students come here, they really have experts in these fields that they can choose from and work, and really exciting research topics.
I think UH has definitely become a powerhouse in a lot of these fields.
The short-term goal is to be in the top 50, but our vision is to make the Cullen College of Engineering the destination college for engineering and technology. I would very much like a high school student in Dallas, in Austin, or hopefully one day anywhere in the country to come to the University of Houston to specifically study engineering and technology. We do have a very specific mission. The mission is to serve the greater Houston community. We would like to be the catalyst for their economic growth, for workforce training, and in general, to bring educations to where our communities live.
The College of Engineering and the University of Houston, I think, have made tremendous steps forward. It's not a matter of just being good, but it's a matter of being better than a lot of people who have been around a while.
The last 10 to 12 years has really been a very exciting time in the history of the college. And it really leads me to have great confidence in the future.
Katy campus and Sugarland campus, we are reaching out to where the community lives.
The immediate and long-term future for the college is really a very positive one. And I'm really looking forward to see how the college develops in the next few years.